In this video, I want to talk about something called an intersection type, which is basically what it sounds like. We can have multiple types and then combine them using an ampersand. So let's say that we have a type, we're going to keep this super simple, but a type called circle, and it's going to have a radius, that's a number, and maybe that's it. And then we'll have another type called colorful, and it's simply going to have a color, which is a string. Okay, we've got a circle type and a colorful type. If I wanted to make a type called colored circle or just colorful circle, and I don't want to have to retype those two properties, I mean, that's just a lot of work, two whole properties, but imagine there's, dozens of different things in each of these. I want to combine them. And it's not just about saving work, it's also, if I wanted to change the name here of color, well, I change it in one place, I won't have to change it down here. But anyway, what I can do is use the ampersand to get the intersection of circle and colorful, just like that. And now if I try and make a colored circle like const happy face, it's going to be a yellow circle. It's going to be of type colorful circle. I have to have a couple of things, right? I have to have a radius. So let's start with that. Radius of 4. But I also have to have a color. Color is yellow. And there we go. We meet the requirements of this type, which is just the intersection of circle and colorful. Now, in this example, we made our new type, colorful circle, or a type alias, that is just a direct intersection of circle and colorful without anything additionally added. But we can also add on. We could add a new property to colorful circle, although I'm not sure what that would be, because it's, we've got a radius and a color. What else is there for a colorful circle? But let's do another example. Let's say I have a type called, let's just start simple. Let's do cat. And all a cat has is num lives, and that has to be a number. And then we have a type called dog, and our dog, all it has is a breed that is a string. And then I want to combine them into a new type called cat dog. If you ever saw that 90s or early 2000s cartoon, cat dog is going to be the intersection of cat and dog, but I also want to add on an age, let's say. Well, I can do that by adding another ampersand and then a new type right here, just within those curly braces. And then I could say, age is a number. Personally, I think this is a little, I won't say clunky, but I think it's ugly having these ampersands all over the place, but it's pretty straightforward, right? We're saying cat dog is equal to the combination or the intersection of cat and dog and this new type, that we're just making in line right here. So in order to make a cat dog, let's go with const, how about Christy is going to be our cat dog, and it's going to be of type cat dog equals this object that has num lives. Let's say Christy's lost a couple from 9, so she only has 7 now, and we also have to have breed. So on the dog side of things, she was a husky. And then what else do we have in here? An age, right? We're missing age. And age will be 9. And there we go. This is an example of an intersection type that is not just the direct combination of two existing types, but it also extended or added on, in this case, just one property, age. But you could use this format to keep going, and add a lot more.